Wanted to provide an update of the playing card project I've been working on. This is a Flutter application utilizing the Flame gaming engine. There is a tutorial on the Klondike card game that I've been, at this point, mostly copying and pasting the code. A little bit of refinement, but mostly copying and pasting. This tutorial also has this set of assets that correspond to these different card elements. You can see that this club here doesn't match the club provided here, but instead the club that I've been working on for my playing card deck. So another thing I've got here, this is a screen mirror of my tablet running Sketchbook Pro, and so this is me drawing on the tablet. But more importantly, I wanted to share my workflow and how janky it is at the moment, because I have high hopes on creating a much better workflow to get the assets modified on the tablet then into the game. And I've got other ideas other than games to be able to utilize a similar workflow. This is some artwork that I created a while ago. I think I posted it at some point, and then I've just been drawing assets on top of it. As you can see, I've already got the club here. So I can hide those. Oops, I want to hide all of that. Those. One nice thing about Sketchbook Pro is that you can share. I also have this Bob Dog Flutter application here that I can share it to. It's going to accept the canvas that was just displayed through this really hacked up application, just really a proof of concept. The next step is to then pull it off of the tablet onto my local computer. This is the directory of that example app. Hopefully if I refresh this, a new one's going to show up. There it is. I can now save that locally, and I'm going to save it to my inbox. Go into Finder, to my inbox. I got lots of stuff going on here, so we don't need that anymore. We don't need that. Let's go ahead and just get it out of the way. I'll leave a link to this Flame Klondike card tutorial in the description of the video. Here is the file, and I can open it. Oh, there it is. Come on up here. And I can select that, and I'm going to go ahead and select enough of it. I was playing around with 306, I think, earlier. Let's see if I can. That's going to be. Let's make it bigger. Boop, boop. There we go. All right, the other one I was using 306, the other club, and that seems like it's going to chop off. So let's use something like 312. And yeah, I can certainly do a better job of making sure that it all square in the future. I've got some ideas on how to do that, but for right now, this is more just to test out the workflow and to get something in place. So I'm going to copy that. I think I've got it in the copy buffer. And then here's the actual code where this program is currently. Obviously, this isn't the end result of the Klondike playing card, but it's an interim place that shows cards. And I can come to the sprite sheet here. Oh, I can't do any updates there. I need to open it. How about reveal in Finder? Bring this here, open the sprite sheet. Okay, it's going to open it down there. You can see my other sprite. And again, this is, I think I've said it a number of times now, super janky, but there we go. We're going to delete that heart. We're going to insert our new heart. I'm going to shrink that down. Unfortunately, there's no sizing here, so I really just need to eyeball it. And it's not going to come across exact when it comes into the game, but it'll be good enough. So I save it, close that. Let's close that, get that out of the way. And so I should be able to refresh that, maybe. No, I can't refresh that. What if I select it again? Anyway, it's been changed. I guess I can just close it and open it. There it is. There it is. So then Since I've got the app already running here, I refresh the app and I should see, yep, there's a whole bunch of hearts and clubs. So yeah, that's where this project is so far. And again, just wanted to share where I'm at with it. Hopefully I can get the workflow a little smoother, maybe the game a little farther along, and I need to create more assets. I'd love to hear your comments below on this workflow. I'm a developer, so there may be a completely better way of doing this with the graphic tools that currently exist. I'm not aware of them simply because it's not my area of expertise, but would love to hear any comments that you have. So thanks for your time. Have fun.